Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will see basicity of amines and what type of possible MCQs that can be asked and which are the Viva questions. Collective, we will see MCQ and Viva questions. So like the video and subscribe the channel. Most of the content of organic chemistry you will find in my channel. So subscribe the channel for more updates also. Basicity of amines. Firstly, why amines are called basic or base. So amines are basic in nature, as you might be knowing that amine it possesses an unshared lone pair of electron on the nitrogen, and that is why these amines are capable of donating the lone pair of electron towards an electron deficient centers, and so they are said to be an basic. And this definition it is as per Lewis acid base theory. Actually there are three theories which can define bases. So Lewis acid base theory it fits for amines, that is that lone pair of electron which is present on the nitrogen which is used for a new bond formation. And amines react with the acid to form salts, as we can see in the reaction that amines, this is amine substituted R, so alkyl amine it will react with an acid, so it will be an halo acid, so it will react with the acid and it will form a salt. Earlier amine it is not so soluble in water, but as soon as it becomes a salt it becomes soluble in the water. And here you can see salt, it means that it is having some charges. Nitrogen will have a positive charge and halogen will have a negative charge. So this lone pair of electron on nitrogen it is utilized for bond formation, and that is why they are said to be an basic in nature. So as per the Lewis base theory, so compounds which are capable to donate the electron towards an electron deficient centers are said to be an bases, and which accepts they are said to be an acid, which accept a lone pair of electron are said to be an acid, as we can see over here. So lone pair, non-bonding lone pair, it has been shared with an hydrogen to form a new bond. Now we'll see basicity constant. So amines are basic in nature. Though they are basic in nature, so there should be some numericals that can define how much is the basicity, or there should be some symbols that can define the basicity. Amines are weak bases, no doubt about it. The extent of ionization describes an equilibrium constant Kb, which is known as basicity constant. It is defined as the concentration of product of ionization in moles per liter divided by the concentration of unionized base. So let us see the formula for it. So formula for Kb, it is ionizing species, that is RNH3 plus and OH minus. So these are ionized species, concentration of this ionized species divided by unionized species. So unionized, that is RNH2, and the value of Kb, when the value of Kb will be higher, the bases will be stronger. As the value of Kb increases, bases become stronger. So it is completely opposite to an acids. Now if bigger the value of pK, in case of acids, pK are which are having a lower values. Lower values compounds are having a pK. When the values are lower, that time acid is stronger. When the values of pK are greater, the stronger will be the base. It means it is total contrast, that as the value of pK it increases, the base becomes stronger, and pK it is nothing but a negative logarithm of an Kb ions. Now we'll see the effect of electron releasing group on basicity. So there are two kinds of an effect that can be seen, whether they will increase the basicity or whether they will decrease the basicity. The presence of electron donating group increases the basicity of an amine, so it is completely again to an acids. This is because the electron releasing group increases the negative charge on the amines, which makes it able to donate the electron easily. So examples like CS3 or C2H3. So these are some alkyl groups which are electron releasing in the nature, and due to which this electron releasing group, the basicity increases. As the number of carbon chain it increases, basicity of an amine it will increases. As we can see in example of an ammonia, so there is no alkyl group, it is having all hydrogens on it. The value of Kb it is 1.8 into 10 raised to minus 5. And if we see the methylamine, now it is having an electron releasing group, and this electron releasing group actually it donates an electron towards a nitrogen. It donates an electron towards a nitrogen, and nitrogen means the density of an electron it is greater on a nitrogen, and due to which that lone pair present on a nitrogen, it will donate easily electron towards an electron deficient center. So it becomes easy when it is having an electron donating substituent at the adjacent. So as alkyl chain increases, basicity also increases. As we can see the difference between Kb values. So the Kb value for methylamine it is 37 into 10 raised to minus 5, and for dimethylamine it is 54 into 10 raised to minus 5. So as the number of alkyl group increases, basicity will increase. But there is one more exception, that is there are three groups which are electron releasing. But if we see the value of an Kb, the value of Kb it is 6.7 into 10 raised to minus 5. And why it is actually? So there are some steric hindrances. So steric hindrances means what? The lone pair which is available with a nitrogen for donation, this lone pair it is not been easily shared. Why it is not easily shared? Because these structures are big, and due to this big structure there is hindrances. So the steric hindrances which does not allow the lone pair of electron to be shared, and due to which we can see that there is difference between Kb of an dimethylamine and Kb of an trimethylamine. So it is less basic compared to methylamine or dimethylamine, due to the reason that it cannot share the lone pair of electron easily, and because it is having some steric hindrances of the alkyl groups at the adjacent. So that is the problem with this nitrogen. Actually it can easily donate the electrons, but due to steric hindrances or the size of this CH3, it is not able to donate the electron towards the electron deficient center. And this can be a possible MCQ question. So 4 options may be given to you. So the least basic is ammonia, and more basic it is dimethylamine. And remember that always this trimethylamine it is less soluble compared to dimethylamine and methylamine. So this can be also an MCQ question. So 4 structures may be given to you, or 3 structures may be given to you, and it may be asked that which of the following is least basic. So remember that though it is having an electron releasing group, but it is not too much basic, because there are some steric hindrances for donation of a lone pair of electron with a nitrogen. Now we'll see the effect of electron withdrawing group on the basicity. Electron withdrawing group decreases the basicity. As there is contrast, that electron releasing group it increases the basicity, and electron withdrawing group it decreases the basicity. This is because the electron withdrawing substituent decreases the negative charge on the amines and make the lone pair less available for a donation. So there are some examples like nitro group. If the nitro group which has been present on an methyl, or which substitute an methyl, so there can be, so it will remove the electrons from an amine, so it will remove the electrons from an amine because it is an electron withdrawing substituent, and that is why it will remove the electrons from an amine, and due to which the electrons are not available on the nitrogen. Means electron is available, but the density of an electron it is not so higher compared to when electron donating substituent it has been present, and that is why the reactivity decreases of a nitrogen, and or the basicity it decreases, and due to this nitro group it removes the electron and it makes a decrease of a negative charge on the nitrogen. So what are the possible MCQs or Viva question asked on this topic? What is base? So as I have told you that there are three classes of an base. So base suited class or the amines can be classified under the Lewis base theory, right? And the Lewis base means they can donate the electrons. Why amines are classified as Lewis base? I told you that there are three theories and why they are classified as Lewis base. As RNase theory, it has limitation that it should contain an H plus ions or OH minus ions, but amine does not have that H plus ions or OH minus ion. Laurie Bronsted, it refers to when it is having a proton, so accepting donating proton, so that will define acid and base. And in case of a Lewis acid base theory, it has donation of an electron, so that is why it has been classified as an Lewis base. What is basicity constant? As we have defined that the value of an Kb. And what is the effect of electron releasing group on basicity of an amines? As the electron releasing groups they are attached, the basicity of amine it will increase, because due to that electrons are released towards a nitrogen. What is the effect of electron withdrawing group on basicity of an amine? So this is the contrast question towards an electron releasing group. So with an withdrawing effect, the basicity will decrease. So which are the groups? As we have taken the examples like nitro group. What is the role of pK? When the pK increases, basicity it increases or decreases. So we have talked in the session about that. And why trimethylamine is weak base than dimethylamine or methylamine? So as I have discussed that there are some steric hindrances with trimethylamine, so that is due to this reason it is weak base. And there is too much possibility to ask this question because it is little bit twist. As the methyl substituent increases, the basicity increases, but it does not happen in case of a trimethylamine. So thank you. If you are having any questions or any doubts, you can comment me in the comment box. I will try to answer that questions or your doubts.